Hi! I guess we all can agree that all cutting elements have one very frustrating characteristic. As blades and razors are used over time, they get dull. And recently, I've found this interesting type of sharpener, which I believe can help you keep your tools nice, sharp, and proper. What's interesting about this particular model is that you can move the grindstone back and forth. Also, it's a good example of how you can use a typewriter carriage. There are also plate holders and pipe scraps involved. Looks good, works well, I like it. And here's a little something for the marking gauge. You can put something inside, and there's also a rack on each side. So very comfortable and easy to work with. For longer parts, you can retract this longer desk. It's got telescopic legs, so that's very convenient. If the surface you're working on isn't very even, you can make necessary adjustments. And the best part is that it's portable and very compact. Now this next thing is for those of you who does ceiling flattening and polishing. Using this simple cardboard pan, you won't become Snow White, because it holds all the dust. Main parts are made of oriented strand board. The only downer is that you can't work the angles with it. The next thing on our list is a grinder feature. Held with a clamp of soft felt pad, it works just fine. With the spring clamps on the sides, it allows for a very firm grip. Now, who could have thought that you can double the speed of your workflow with a paint roller so easily? With this paint roller, you'll be able to work 2 times faster. Next year, I'll definitely make one to paint the fence. And so lastly, here's one rather unconventional adjustment. If you have a pickup truck and you carry around sand or pebble or what have you, you might want to consider installing one of those. If you guys are interested in any of these, check out the links below for full videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more DIY ideas.